Today I show you how to connect from a Mac to Windows shares, and also how to troubleshoot some problems. When you connect, you can go to Finder, go connect to server, and then enter the IP address or the hostname of the Windows computer. This uses the SMB protocol, so you have to use SMB before. And now I'm connected to the share, but I wanted to show you the problem here is that the Windows share location doesn't show in the locations folder. And I tried to connect a few times, and I want to show you that it actually does show in the network. So if you go to the network tab, you will actually see the Windows computer is there. And yeah, there was an issue. I don't know why it happened like this, but the easiest way to fix this is to simply do a restart on the Mac. So you can restart the Mac. You can also restart the Windows computer if it still doesn't fix it. But the problem that it's not showing, the Windows computer doesn't show in locations here, it's most probably only because of the Mac. I only had to restart the Mac here. So you do access the files, you can still access them, but it doesn't show up in locations. I kept trying a few times just to see maybe there was something wrong, but yeah, at this point there wasn't really anything to try to make it show in locations. Let me know in the comment section below if there is a quick way to add a shortcut there or make it permanent even. I have a way to make the permanent connection to the server after logon. After restarting the MacBook, I try again and I connect to the same SMB share. This is the Windows file share using the same SMB protocol. And when I open the Finder window, so yeah, I choose to mount all these shares, and now it shows there. So it's just sometimes it really doesn't work. It's convenient to have it there. It's a quick way to access the folders. I hope this helps you access files from Mac to Windows. Thanks for watching.